Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Lisby. This week, I'm going to show you how to make some easy DIY tea candle light holders using some scrap wood that I've had around the shop from other projects. Let's get going.
Here I'm just cutting up this leftover 4x4 post from the reading lamp build I did a while ago. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link to it in the description. Now I have a rough idea what I'm trying to do, so I'm just cutting out to rough lengths. Once I had them cut, I used this 4-inch heart template and traced around, and I'll cut it out with the bandsaw. With everything cut, I'll be able to drill out the pockets that will hold the tea light candles. Here I'm just using an 1.5 inch spade bit. And while I'm drilling this out, now would be a good time to just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Here I'm drilling out a leftover whiskey barrel stave from a project I did a few months back. I'll also link to that in the description. And with everything drilled out, now I move on to everyone's favorite part, sanding. Sanding always takes forever, but I find it therapeutic. And with a lifetime's worth of sanding done, now I can move on to staining. Here I'm just using that same Varathane Kona stain that I've used on previous projects. I still like the way it looks, and so I use it a lot. And while I finish up staining these, this is a good time to remind you to go ahead and hit that like button, and also leave some comments. Let me know what you thought of the video. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are. Got one, I'm gonna get the other two. Oh, hey, just sitting here doing some trick shots, Dude Perfect style, with these tea light candle holders you guys just watched me build. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell. You'll get a notification every time I make something cool and flip it into something awesome. So, y'all go out and have a great day. That was my phone messing up this shot, but that's alright. Go make something awesome. I'm gonna keep doing this. Alright, this is Guy Mediocre, and this is the 5 candle extinguishing looping shot. No, I'll edit that out. Let's just go to the reaction shot. It was awesome. Yeah! Yeah!